Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more credit information. Check out my website and download your free hard inquiry removal package. We have other removal packages for all your negative items. If you have questions, reach me at my website and they go directly to my cell phone. Make sure you check it out in the link in the description of this video. Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on how you can qualify for this BlockFi credit card with a soft pull pre-approval. Now, the great thing about this card, you can see your predetermined, pre-qualified credit limit on the card without causing a hard inquiry pull. Now, if you are new to my channel, I bring you information on how to improve your credit score no matter where you are in your credit journey. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Now, with this card, you can earn 1.5% back in crypto for every purchase with this BlockFi Rewards Visa Signature card. If you're a person that like to invest in crypto, this can be very exciting for you. Now, with this card, there's no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, and the APR on this card is from 14.99% to 24.99%. You can earn 3.5% back in crypto during your first 3 months and 2% back in crypto on every purchase over $50,000 annually that you spend. With this card, you can earn $30 in Bitcoin for every friend that you refer, and there's a trading bonus of 0.25% back in Bitcoin on all eligible trades. Now, who can qualify for this credit card? U.S. residents in qualified states. New York State is excluded, and you must have a BlockFi account to apply, and it's not available for business accounts. Now, with this card, you must set up an account, and I'm going to go through that with you shortly. But you need good credit in order to qualify, which is generally 680 credit score and above, and they will pull from Experian for a soft inquiry pull. And if you decide to take the offer after the pre-approval, it will turn into a hard inquiry pull. Okay, so keep that in mind. I was pre-qualified for this card up to $15,000, and you can go through the steps to see what you qualify for. Now, I'm going to walk through the steps on how I pre-qualified for this, and you can do this on your cell phone, and I will leave the link in the description of the video so you can go through this process. So we're about to jump in it now. So when you tap the Get Your Card button, it will bring you to this screen, and you will choose the individual account to start with. Then you will want to fill out your information, country, home address, also mobile number, date of birth, and they will ask you for your social security number. But don't worry, you will not get a hard inquiry pull if you are just looking for the soft pull offer. I know people get nervous about that. On this screen, you want to enter what's your primary source of income, roughly how much crypto you will be adding to your account each month, roughly how many transactions that you will make each month, and will you be making international transfers. At this point, they require you to go through a verification process in order to open your account. On this screen, you need to hit the prompt to complete identity verification. They will send a link to your email address, and once your identity has been verified, you will now log into your BlockFi account because it should be set up. Once you log in, you'll be here in your account. And you may have to wait slightly for them to verify you for a day or two for the process, but mine was immediately. And now you can hit the apply now button where you can go through the pre-qualification process. You're here at the next screen. You have to put in your social security number. Don't worry about it. It will not be a hard pull unless you accept the offer. And you have to click the box for I have read the terms and conditions. Now on this screen, this is the final check where you're supposed to check your personal information to make sure it's correct. And on the next screen, you have to check the box and it will tell you if you accept the offer, it will result in a hard inquiry pull. And here is your pre-qualification with the credit limit and APR that you would be offered. Also, everyone that has this card, it is a 0 annual fee, but in the terms and conditions, it will break down what is the terms and conditions for you and your APR. Now, if you agree and accept the offer, this will result in a hard inquiry pull. But for right now, you have no impact on your credit score because at this point, it's just a soft pull. Now you can decline the offer if you choose, but if you agree to these terms and conditions and accept the offer, once again, it would be a hard inquiry pull either way you slice it. So keep that in mind. And you can read even more into the details of the offering for your credit card in this section. Also, they will be pulling from Experian, and what I suggest that you have a 680 credit score and above. If you know you had something recently that just hit your credit, make sure you pull your credit score. I have some credit monitoring system so you know where you are at on your Experian credit score. So this is a great chance for you to get a predetermination because this is not what many credit card companies offer. Now, if you decide to turn down the offer, they will send you an email and you do have a chance to keep this solidified to a certain date that they present to you in your email. So even if you decline, you can go back through your email and you can apply up to this date that they have determined. For me, here is May 26, 2022. So that is the email they will send you, and they will still tell you what is your predetermined credit line. Now, hopefully this was helpful. I will leave the link of the description in this, the link to this website in this video. So I hope to see you guys in the next video.